Saparhuda, what Krishna with associate. Saparhuda Shiyodhama, Krishna was with associate. Balaram, Shubal Shakha, Siddham Shakha, all his Gopi, Rajagopi, everything. And they came on Saparhuda Shiyodhama Shaho. He came with everybody in this world. Krishna himself came in this world at the age of Kali. Saparhuda with his associate. Vaitanta Durlabha Prem Korivaradhan. What for is coming? It is rare. That's kind of love. More than love. Paramal love, that is prem. That is not only love. He gave to the, and he going to door. He going door to door and he told, this is not your house, this is not your address. I came to rescue you. That is, Vaitanta Durlabha Prem, he is giving to donate. That's prem. That's love. He gives to everybody, distribute everybody. Vaitanta Durlabha Prem Korivaradhan. Can you open this, Prabhu? Why you close this? Morning time? Huh? If some trees can sing some song, that will benefit it. Understand? The nighttime mosquito, you have no mosquito now. Vaitanta Durlabha Prem Korivaradhan. Shikhayo Sharanagati Bhakatura Pran. This is, what is the surrender? Shikhayo Sharanagati. Shikhayo Sharanagati. Is telling what is the surrender. He's teaching us the surrender. Shikhayo Sharanagati. He's teaching us surrender. Shikhayo Sharanagati Bhakatura Pran. What is the surrender? 6 types of surrender. Sharanga 6 types of surrender. Daino is humble. Atmanivedan for surrender. Giving to the, you give yourself. Bhakti te boron, Atmanivedan Bhakti te boron, Krishna is palan karta. Krishna will take care of us. Krishna will protect us, Krishna will take care of us. Daina Bhakti te boron, Avishir, Krishna will protect us. No one can protect us. No one can protect us. Krishna will Avishir, Krishna. And then another two. What is the favor of devotion? You have to accept it. What is the disfavor of devotion? You have to reject it. Bhakti onikulo karjer shikar, bhaktir pratikulo bhava varjanam. What is the favor of devotion? And what is the disfavor of devotion? What is the favor of devotion? You have to accept it. What is the disfavor? You have to reject it. Bhaktir onikulo karjer shikar, bhaktir pratikulo bhava varjanam. Sharanga Sharanagati, there is Sharanga. Who have acquired the 6 types of Sharangagati, Krishna will listen to him. You will not listen to Krishna. Krishna will listen to you. Krishna told him that I will listen to you. Because you have to serve Krishna. Even Srimad Bhagavad Gita told, in this world I have many enemies, I have many friends, I have many dearmost. But everybody is equal. But any devotee who is surrender with full faith, who is serving me, and I have attachment with them. And he was attached with me. Srimad Bhagavad Gita said that, you understand that. I have many enemies, I have many. Everybody is equal. But who is serving me with full faith, and who is, I am attached. I have so much ashukti coming, attachment coming with him. Understand? তাকে আমার আসক্তি আসে। আমার এই জগতে কেউ বন্ধু নাই, কেউ শত্রু নাই। কিন্তু যদি কেউ কোনো ভক্ত শ্রদ্ধা সহকারে আমার সেবা করে, ভজনা করে, আমি তার প্রতি আসক্তি হয়ে যাই এবং তার প্রতি আমার আসক্তি আসে। That is main things. সেইভাবে in this world I am to understand. That is সরঙ্গ শরণাগতি হইবে যাহা, তাহার প্রার্থনা শুনে সেই নম্র। If you have surrendered soul, Krishna will listen to you. Krishna will be friend. Krishna will be your servant. Krishna will be your servant. Krishna will be your servant. That is correct. Gurudev told, if you serve the devotee, Krishna will come and serve you. Krishna will come and serve you. If you serve the devotee, if you serve your Guru, Krishna will come to serve you. Krishna himself will come to serve you. Many examples are there. Many examples. Story. I'm telling the story, then if you telling the story, then many stories I can tell about that. The Krishna came to serve. Krishna, Radharani came to serve. Krishna came to serve. Krishna himself come to serve. Understand? In this way. For that is song. Another song is Vaishnava Thakur Kirtan. Thakur Vaishnava. This morning singing is very nice. His mind is cool, everything cool, morning coming, like early in the morning. Understand? coming to wake up early. That is Bhakti Ralup. Wake up early, going to Mangalarati, wake up early, mind will be cool. This all day night, sleeping, taking way, midnight sleeping, and sleep, coming 8 o'clock. This is Bhakti Pratikul. This is Bhakti Pratikul. All day night until 12 o'clock. That is Vibha Bhari Shesho Aloka Pravesho Nidra Saryoti Jiva. Vibha from foreign call. Vibha Bhari Shesho Aloka Pravesho Nidra Saryoti Jiva. Bolo Hari Hari Mukunda Murari.
Rama Krishna Hare.
Ram Krishna Hare. But what is the another devotee from Malaysia? Where are they gone?
I don't know, Maharaj. I saw them in Parikrama time. They was like going out of the room. But I don't know if they're. You want me to go and...
No, you told me yesterday.
Of course.
Ask them finished. Ram Krishna Hayogriv. You told yesterday the morning can come.
Yes.
I cannot give 3 times lecture. Whole day night. 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. I have some job. Understand. 2 times I am sufficient. Another time always talking. Ram Krishna Hayogriv. Vibhavori Shesho Aloko Pravesho. So much day and time. And that is Bolo Hari Hari Mukund, you can see where they come.
Yes,
Bolo Ram Krishna Hayogriv. Understand. Durdaiva Sabukti Jayanas and Chudanias. Bring with hair and throw here. Understand. Durdaiva Sabukti Vibhavori Shesho Aloko Pravesho Nidrachari Utuji. Bolo Hari Hari Mukund Murari Ramo Krishna Hayogriv. সেইভাবে in this way. Another son is Vaishnava Thakur. প্রার্থনা করতে বৈষ্ণব ঠাকুরের কাছে how much we are fallen to ঠাকুর বৈষ্ণব গণ করিয়ে নিবেদন মবরয় ধম দুরাচার I am praying to you, Kori Nivedana is praying to you. I am very Adham Durachar, I am very fallen soul. And I am very Durachar, and means worst. Bad, not only not bad. Worst. That is things coming to you, not only pretending. If somebody criticize you, you have to tell. Somebody coming to me, once he is criticizing you. Yes, he is speaking the truth. I am more than that. That is correct. I am not saying that. Thakur Vaishnav Gan Koriye Nivedan Mawar Adhama Durachar. I am more than fallen soul. Adham Durachar means Durachar English Takiya. Durachar means too much bad. Durachar. Mawar Thakur Vaishnav Gan Koriye Nivedan Mavaraya Dhamo Durachara job, they are doing some auspicious works, doing something. But they will go to heaven. But when their job is punna, that is some good works, some got result will finished, then they're Anisya, they do not want to come from there, and they will opulence, they will take heaven. Well, then I told Indra about Indra. And then they have again to come back. Adhogati prapto hoy. Tar adhogati prapto hoy. That is Srimad Bhagavatam told, as the Gita also told, same words. Adhogati prapto hoy. Tar adhogati means he will not get maybe human body. Another body will get, very less body, maybe less than like cow, dog, cat, like this. That is adhogati. Very clean, very adhogati prapta. In going there, a few is staying there is punno, after this coming to this. Kino punno? Darunasham, they are sleeping.
No, Maharaj, they don't have water. Called Samol. They don't have water in the building like 1 hour ago.
What happening? What building?
The Govinda Kund.
তোমার কি পয়সা নেবে এরা? বলো তুমি কাজ করতে বলছো বিল্ডিং এ জল নাই তাহলে তুমি কি কাজ করবে না বলো? বিল্ডিং এ জল নাই তুমি কি পয়সা নেবে বলো? তুমি কাম না করবে? দারুণ সংসার নিধি তাহে ডুবাইল বিধি কেশে ধরি মরে করো পার। বিধি বড় বলবান না শুনে ধর্ম জ্ঞান। বিধি বড় বলবান না শুনে mind is blind. ওই সময় আমার মন, আপনি কি জন্য এসেছিলেন?
ফুলের চারা নিয়েছি।
নিয়েছেন?
চলে যাবে।
এখন চলে যাবেন? ওই সময় আপনি কথা দিতে পারেন না, ঠিক আছে, ঠিক আছে,
ওই গাছ আমি
ফুলের চারা নিয়ে যান।
ফুলের চারা নিলাম, ওলকপি আর
হ্যাঁ,
ওলকপি ছিল।
ফুলের টাকা দিয়েছিলাম ওই যে কেনার জন্য।
কাল হাট ছিল তো, কাল কিনেছে।
কিছু কিনেছে? আচ্ছা, ওই ঠিক আছে, জানি সেবা করুন। আমি থাকলে শান্তি থাকি, ঠিক আছে? কি ভালো লাগছে না? কোনো অসুবিধা হচ্ছে?
না না, কোনো অসুবিধা নেই, ঠিক আছে।
আপনি যদি অসুবিধা মনে করেন তাহলে ঋষিকেশ প্রভুদের আপনার দুজনকে হাঁপানি দুজনে ওই জায়গায় সরিয়ে দেবো, যদি সেবাও প্ল্যান করতে পারেন। যদি মনে
না না,
করেন
আমি মহাবার থাকবো তো, ভালো আছি তো।
ভালো থাকুন। আর যদি মনে করেন যে অসুবিধা হবে তাহলে ঋষিকেশ প্রভুকে আপনাকে দুইজনকে হাঁপানি পাড়ি ঋষিকেশ প্রভু সেবার দায়িত্ব নেবে। ওই সেবাকে সেবা করছিল, ওখানে পুজো করবে, একটা রান্নার লোক জোগাড় করবে, আপনারা থাকবেন, 3 জন দেবো। চিন্তা করুন,
না, আমি ওখানে থাকি।
আমি চিন্তা করে দিলাম, আমি কেবল ভাব দিলাম।
বামন পাড়ায় থাকি।
হ্যাঁ, বাস। ওই সময় আমার মন ফিরে যেন অন্ধজন, সুপথ বিপথ নাহি জানে। তাহলে ওই ওকে সরিয়ে দেবো, প্ল্যান করেছি, বৃন্দাবন থেকে ঘুরে আসে। ওই সময় আমার মন ফিরে যেন অন্ধজন, সুপথ বিপথ নাহি জানে। ওই সময় আমার মন, মানে মাইন্ড ইজ ভেরি ব্লাইন্ড। Mind is blind. Mind does not know what is the right way, what is the wrong way. He doesn't know. Shupat Bipat, he doesn't know. Mind is very blind. Shupato Bipato nahi jane. Because when is Ondum is blind man, if you want to cross the street, then you need on help. My mind is also blind, but I need on help. Somebody will help me. Who can give the good advice? This is the right, this is the wrong. You have to take this good advice. ওই সময় আমার মন ফিরে যেন অন্ধজন, সুপথ বিপথ, what is the good way, what is the right way, what is the wrong way, what is the right way. সুপথ বিপথ নাহি জানে. Mind is very blind. Mind does not know. The mind what is telling, if you tell going that, Gurudev always telling that, not to follow your mind, follow me. Always telling this word. Always telling. Siddhartha Maharaj told him, they have told me, I told everyone, not to follow your mind, only follow me. Mind not following. ওই সময় আমার মন ফিরে যেন অন্ধজন, না লইলে শত মতই অসতে মজিল চিত্ত। We are not taking the good, honest advice. অসতে মজিল, my mind is going to the dishonest place. অসতে, my mind and heart is going to the dishonest place. Understand? না লইলে শত মত, তুয়া পদে না করে নিবাস। I am true, Vaishnava Thakur, I am not thinking about you. My mind is what is going bad way, and I am polluted for by them. This is a dishonest place, I am mixing with them, and my mind and everything is polluted by them. This is Naloinu Shatomato Tuapade Nakuri wash, and I am never to stand at you and never thinking about you. Very nice. Very nice example. But you singing that song, you explain that song, is on our Harikatha. We will get time 2 hours Harikatha. On song and 2 songs is sufficient. Not necessarily so many scriptures, not necessarily so many big volumes. Prabhupada himself told. Bohu grantha na poribe, bohu kalabhas na koribe. Not necessarily so many scripture, not necessarily so many things. Understand? In this way. For that. Few songs, like this, you can explain this.